Morning, everybody. So today we have an Isuzu. This is going to be another one of those NPRs or NRRs. This one's been sitting for about a year and it would not crank. So we're going to pop the cab here and take a look. 5.2 Isuzu diesel in it. And we're going to see if we can get this thing started. The batteries were pretty much shot. They wouldn't do nothing. I charged on them for a good long time and they just would not start. So we're going to put some new batteries in here and see if we can get it to start up. So I went ahead and got us some new batteries in there, and we probably need to prime it up because I think it's been about a year since this thing has started. So when you look right here on your fuel filter, right here up on top, it's got this little primer bulb, and you push it down like that and pump it, and that's supposed to prime it. And I'm not real wild about this system, but we'll prime it up and turn the key and see what happens. So I've been priming on it for about, 2-3 minutes, and we'll see what happens here. There she goes. Well, that was easy. Nothing to it. Just prime it up and crank it. Now we'll dump the stuff out of the bed and see what else it needs and get it ready to go back on the road. Well, so that was pretty uneventful. I put batteries in it, primed it up with a little hand primer right there, and it started right up, no issues. So okay, so we got some future projects here I'm pretty stoked about, and I wanted to share those with you guys. Alright, so we got like a mid-80s motorhome here, and has seen better days. So I think what we're going to do on this, it's probably got a 350 in it, with a 350 turbo transmission, I'm guessing, or maybe a 700 R4, I'm not sure. But we're going to take the excavator, we're going to just yank the body off of this thing. And we're gonna leave this part right here, and we're gonna see if we can get this engine and transmission going again, and see if we can get it driving, and then maybe sell it to somebody or something, or do something with it, man. But yeah, check this girl out. Yeah, plenty of goodies in here. Let's see what the mileage looks like in this thing here. Looks like 80,000 miles there. Maybe 83,000 miles. Something like that. But yeah. Yeah, we'll see if we can do something with that. I think that's going to be probably a good motor and transmission, that thing. And then after we get through playing with that and tearing it apart and everything, we got this girl over here. Ski boat, and this thing does have a 350 in it, and yeah, we're gonna see if we can get this thing running. It's got the old 350 with a quadribog carburetor on it, so we'll see if we can get this thing running. Looks like it's a Ski Brindella. Yeah, it's got a nice trailer on it. But yeah, these are going to be a couple upcoming projects we're going to work on. And see if we can get this stuff going. Make some noise with it. So stay tuned.